Tesla full self-driving displays impressive collision avoidance with semi. Tesla full self-driving has displayed incredible anticipatory measures in the past to avoid collisions from both oncoming cars and vehicles approaching from behind. In a recent demonstration, the semi-autonomous driving functionality averted disaster, as it confused the driver by taking a precautionary measure as an oncoming semi-truck started to drift into its lane. By the end of the occurrence, the driver knew why FSD did what it had done. Tesla's FSD supervised prevented this family from hitting a deer. Full self-driving avoids disaster. In a video from X account AIDRIVR, full self-driving navigated as normal when it started to take an oncoming sharp left-hand curve a tad higher than usual. Normally, the vehicle would stay in the lane, but this time it started to drift toward the shoulder after what appeared to be a small reduction in speed. AIDRIVR said he wondered why FSD was taking this corner so wide, but the answer quickly approached him from the other side of the road, proving once again that Tesla's suite is a few steps ahead of even human drivers at times. A semi-truck in the oncoming lane started to drift over the center line through this sharp turn. With these large vehicles, these curves can sometimes prove to be better handled by taking the turn a tad wider, which means the large commercial vehicle will start to approach the middle yellow lines. However, this is much to the chagrin of other drivers and can be a major inconvenience and safety hazard. Full self-driving continues to show instances where it is predicting and anticipating the behaviors and actions of other drivers, keeping occupants in the Tesla safe by using certain tactics to avoid collisions. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.